How to restore missing clock on Android phone. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily restore the missing clock on your Android phone. So as you can see, I've already created one clock at the top of my screen. So let me just remove this from over here. And once I remove it, to bring it back to restore my clock, as you can see it's now missing. What I can do is simply long press on any of your blank screen and you will see the pop-up menu in which you will also see the widgets option. Just click on it. Once you click on it, scroll down until you see the clock option, and once you see it, you will be given a lot of options where you can add your alarm as a shortcut or your clock which was just missing. So our main main theme here is to add the digital clock at the top. So what I can do is simply click on it and just press on add button over here, and as you can see it has been successfully restored. Additionally, you can also add the analog version of this like this by simply pressing on this and simply clicking on add. You can adjust it accordingly, and that's it guys. That's exactly how you can restore your missing clock on Android phone. So hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.